A bird that transforms into a doctor. Starlings have a mutualistic relationship with large animals such as buffalo, cows, zebras, and giraffes. They eat fleas, ticks, and other parasites that stick to the animal's skin, as if they were created to be doctors. Starlings have beaks that are specially designed to easily remove fleas and ticks from the skin. Starlings also have sharp eyesight and often make distinctive sounds when there is a threat, such as a lion or leopard. This helps large animals be more aware of danger.